about iodine while I throw together a few spring rolls. And I have mixed together some mayonnaise with some chipotle chili powder and some lime juice, just however much you like it to taste. I've used, I don't need any seed oils, and most of the mayonnaises have seed oils. So actually I would say if you don't have the mayonnaise, or if you don't have the budget for something like Chosen Foods mayonnaise right here, then you should skip the mayonnaise and make it yourself. These are just as delicious without the mayonnaise, but I am in a period of my cycle and I just want to eat lots of fat and yummy things. Shrimp and shellfish in general are a wonderful source of iodine, and we as a population are deficient in iodine. The majority of people, especially ironically people that are more in the health movement and are paying attention to their diet, tend to be more deficient in iodine. I would especially say vegans who are not eating seaweed and not eating a large quantity of seaweed. Like a little bit of seaweed, dashy sprinkled on your food is just not going to cut it. People are at risk of deficiency of iodine in the population in general, even the especially healthy population, because in the past people were consuming iodine from iodized salt. Now people are buying sea salt and they don't want the salt with the additives, but that can lead to iodine deficiency really quickly, because if you're not consuming shellfish, seafood, or large quantities of seaweed, and I mean large quantities, sufficient iodine per week would be maybe 2 of those seaweed packets per week would provide you with enough iodine for a week. You need about 150 micrograms of iodine. And actually, it is recommended by the Thyroid Association that pregnant women that supplement with 150. Okay, go wash your hands.
I'm gonna
micrograms. Okay, cool. Micrograms of iodine per day. Iodine is crucial for fetal development. It's crucial for all people's metabolism. Your thyroid hormone, which is the main metabolic hormone, does not function without iodine. And if you're low on energy, could be due to a number of things, maybe lack of thiamine or other nutrients that are in the metabolic Krebs cycle, or it could be due to lack of dieting. The fetus actually depends on the mother's iodine levels and her thyroid levels up into 20 weeks of pregnancy. Before that, the fetus does not make its own thyroid hormone. After that, it does. And after that period in time, the fetus needs iodine so much, or it's so important for the fetus, that there are transporters in the placenta that will preferentially move iodine. No. I ate my first batch of shrimp that I made this morning for the spring rolls. I got it in lunch and then I put it in the fridge and made all those for her. Since I told you these, you love all these things, so.
I don't like the bottom.
Okay, well, I cut the bottom out. There's no bottom there. Cut it all out. After 20 weeks, the fetus starts producing its own thyroid hormone, and you'll be making one right now.
Where are the eyes?
There's no eyes. It took the eyes off.
But why do you put cabbage? It's not my favorite thing anymore.
Well, without cabbage, you can't grow and you can't detoxify your cells. So why don't you just try it? You've never had it before. I promise it's going to be delicious. You're going to love it.
Why are you wrapping it in that?
Because it's kind of like a taco, but this is how in Thailand they make tacos. These are the Thailand tacos. See that? Yummy.
But why are these?
Yeah.
But why is this skin?
Iodine is really important for the differentiation of fetal cells into different organs. People are also, even if you eat a lot of processed foods that are high in salt, you might think, oh, well, I eat this canned food or this food and that's got iodized salt in it, right? Actually, most processed food and commercial foods are using pure sodium chloride. They're not using sea salt. They're not using iodine salt. Yeah, I know, and that's going to cause it to break. So it's best just to hold the end and chew it down. That makes you grow and big and strong. You want to run and jump over 10 chairs, like I showed you the Kung Fu guy? I guarantee you he's eating cabbage and plants. You don't eat cabbage and plants. You actually want to take it out of the water before you think it's done. I always make that mistake and let it soak too long. You're supplementing with iodine. 22, wow. You're supplementing with iodine. You don't want to go over the 1,000 like around 1,100 milligrams per day of intake. But that's with supplementation. If you eat a big string of kelp and consume 1,500 micrograms, or sorry, pardon me, I said milligrams, I mean micrograms, always mean micrograms. Iodine is in units of micrograms. It's a little like funny UG or MCG. Generally, the upper limits are referring to studies with supplementation. If you consume, like I said, you don't want to consume that much iodine every single day from food sources, but it's unlikely. But if you consume one day a really large quantity of seaweed salad or a big string of kelp, and you get 1,500 micrograms of iodine, you're going to be okay. See how that softened up as it sat there, and I put the ingredients, so then I'm going to just put the end here. These are kind of tricky. Avocado is also excellent to put in these.
Let's make a train of these.
Boom!
But why are we not making a train of these? So you can eat the choo-choo train.
Okay, Mama will make the train and then you get to eat it, okay? It's your idea. I am the executor, okay? You're the engineer, I'm the builder, yeah? Engineer designs it and tells the builder what to do. And the builder actually gets the can straight, okay? There's a choo-choo train. Yeah?
Mama,
Yeah.
you know what we have to do?
What?
We have to make your own train and I have to make my own train.
Okay, so you want to be a builder and the engineer?
Yeah.
You have a license for both of those things?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you paid your taxes?
Yeah.
You paid your taxes to be a builder and to be an engineer?
Yeah.
According to my tax records, I only see you registered as an engineer. Where's your contractor's license? And you have to have a license to operate as a contractor.
Mommy, it's a bachin.
One of the big reasons that we're also deficient is not just due to lack of intake, it's due to the compounds in our environment that are interfering with iodine. And I really think, this is one of the chronic reasons why there's such an epidemic of thyroid issues. And just people wanting to drink coffee and stimulants all the time, myself included, is because of the environment interfering with the thyroid hormone and the thyroid hormone production because it interferes with iodine uptake. One of the biggest concerns is perchlorate. Perchlorate is found in water. It's also found in milk from the cows that are given water with perchlorate in it. It's a big contaminant in dairy. Perchlorate, you can mitigate that by getting a 3-step filtration system. I have a double system. I installed a system and I said, oh, I'm sorry, but this is just, I can taste the chemicals in this water. It tasted like chlorine still, but it's got 3 carbon filters and reverse osmosis, who knows, but you have to be careful because so many of the filters out there do not fully clean it. I filter my water second in a Berkey filter. Please, baby, look, you're gonna rip a hole. If you keep messing with Mama's food, look, Mama made you cookies, a pie, the cinnamon sticks, spring rolls, just don't touch, okay? Yeah. Other compounds in the environment also interfere with thyroid hormone and iodine uptake, and these include PCBs. It's like in plastics in general. You're using plastics in our water.